Don't press the trigger till Nonna tells you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, press the trigger. Whoa, 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 slowly. That's it. Take your drill out now. Good, hold it there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we made it. That's one.
I'm doing another one.
We're going to make another one.
Yeah.
Dammi il bacetto then. Dammi il bacetto. Dammi il bacetto. So that's one, yeah? No, it's tables.
Little teeny.
We'll make the next one.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit down on it. I wanna do
How
it.
can you sit down and do it if I'm going to... How are we going to get the other table now, all those bits and pieces over there?
Okay.
Ciccio pasticcio.
I didn't get it.
Come on then. Alright, stop it there. Help Nonna. That's it.
So when that was
Ready?
introduced,
Bend it like this.
that was a big milestone doing that.
Screw it up.
And being as I was the first female
That's
in
it.
Essex,
What do you
I was selected for some
Are you strong enough?
nice little jobs.
Huh?
I had a secondment
No, no, help
with
you.
some helicopters. I also
Do it together.
the open
You hold
bridge
the legs straight like this.
is,
It's like a gun.
supporting and helping
In a minute.
Let me try.
In a minute, I said.
Oh, no.
As we now
Basta.
Go and push it.
Prime
Done.
Minister said tonight the UK
Yeah.
is now past the peak of the coronavirus outbreak.
Next one.
And he promised more details next
Over
week.
there, in that
how
hole over
the
there.
lockdown will be
There.
lifted.
Them holes there.
Launching his first news
Where?
conference
Sit in that one.
on the
Go on.
virus and indeed the birth of his son, Boris Johnson paid tribute to the NHS.
Go and
He
screw it
said
then, put it
the
down.
outbreak is on the downward slope, he predicted. We
Go
must
and the next one, the other one now.
Another disaster. A comprehensive plan will be published next week, looking at restarting the economy.
Good boy, well done.
And getting people
Flat pack started off like